please. Next.
I have a question from chapter 9, verse 30.
Listen, why you always insist on my chair with these? I always wanted a chair, simple plain chair like they are using, and you always insist on a chair with these supports. They are not useful. I put my arm on them and they begin to hurt after a while. It's useless. But they will not listen. They always provide me with, they think this is more honorable. I don't consider it more honorable at all. Please. Huh?
Next time we will take care.
I hope so. You take care of this. Yes. Imam sir will not. Please.
So this is verse number 30 from chapter 9.
Yes.
Surah Tawbah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقالت اليهود عزير ابن الله وقالت النصارى المسيح ابن الله ذلك قولهم بأفواههم يضاهئون قول الذين كفروا من قبل قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون. The translation is, and the Jews say Ezra is the son of Allah, and the Christians say the Messiah is the son of Allah. That is what they say with their mouth. They are but a word of their mouth. They imitate the sayings of those who disbelieved before them. Allah's curse be on them. How are they turned away?
Huzur Khan, what is the background of Uzair ibn Allah? What is the background of Uzair ibn Allah? Asra is son of God.
You see, this question of God having a son is not new to Christianity or to Judaism. People before them also claimed the same thing in hypothetical religions. In religions which based on the verbal traditions people had discovered from their forefathers. So it all begins with the idolaters' worship of so-called children of God. And prior to Judaism and Christianity, there are other faiths based on similar notions, because they could not understand God having direct relationship with humans as His creation. They thought that God must have regard for humans because of their being related to Him. And they invented these links in between. That God has regard for us because we are related to His daughters, so-called daughters, or so-called sons, etc. And because of that, He has to take care of us as if we belong to His kith and kin. This is a revelation of the Quran which speaks of the earlier history of idolatrous religions. Now the researchers, not the Muslim researchers, but the Christian researchers themselves have unveiled the mystery of this long ancient behavior of man. And for that you have to read Egyptology and this Greek mythology, etc. You will always find similar things there. So it's amazing how Rasulullah ﷺ could have imagined such a thing while he had not read anything of history as prevailed at the time anywhere in the world. And he's speaking of ancient times of which the Arabs had no notion whatsoever. So this proof is a positive proof that the Quran was revealed to him by an all-knowing God and was not invented by him himself. Right? Tomorrow? Okay.
سأقدم لحضراتكم إن شاء الله ترجمة إجابة حضرة المنونين هذه في بداية لقاء الغد إن شاء الله. والسلام عليكم.
Assalamu alaikum.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
How's life? Feeling all right? Better?